Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today we are continue our journey in what's new in Canva. And from now again in every episode I will show you one new feature or thing in the beautiful Canva. And today I'm going to show you the 3D elements. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Even if I know this is not a real tutorial, I just show the functionality of the 3D elements. As you can see, this is a beautiful earth. When I click on it, as you can see, there is a function called rotate 3D, but already have a new icon here. When I hold my left mouse button, I can rotate the globe. As you can see, it's really rotating. And of course, if I just click on it, I can do as usual, I can move it whatever I want. Even I can animate. Unfortunately, we do not have a 3D animations at the moment, but for sure, sooner or later, this also comes. So as you can see, that's really beautiful and it's really works. So how we can get them? I just open a new page and go into the elements, and here we have a new category called 3D. I just click on it. Of course, you can search. Also, we have the groups where we can also click on see all. Like, no, I just click on this chart only. So as you can see, this one also we can rotate. Just hold the left mouse button. So hovering the mouse to this icon, click on it and hold the left mouse button and we can rotate. And just when you just leave it. So we have this like from now this is like just a standard image. Actually, as you can see, we cannot do anything else, so we do not have we cannot modify anything. We can just reset the rotation, we can use the position and copy the style, and we can animate, but this animation is just the basic ones like for the other elements, so there's no real 3D elements unless this rotate, which is quite nice, but still not a perfect one, not a real 3D animation. But as I already said, I'm sure sooner or later this one will also come. So we lots of subgroups. So that's a pretty amazing thing. So let's check this rainbow. It's also cool. So there are lots of different kind of 3D elements already in the Canva. So if I just leave it like this, the only thing what I need to do is PNG. I just select the second page and downloading it. I downloaded, and now this is like just an image. So from now I can do editing what I want. Click on edit, like duotone, and just click on duotone, and as you can see, it works as a normal image from now. So this is a pretty nice new feature in the Canva, and I really like it. And for sure, this one gives us soon even more functionalities, opportunities, how we can use them. And I can't wait it for it. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in the Canva. Please visit my Facebook page. You can find a link in the description, where you can find lots of another tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for different kind of AI tools. And as I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. And in the description also, you can find the links for my TikTok and Instagram pages, where you can find a bunch of short Canva tutorials. So please feel free to check also them. But now, this tutorial really got an end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.